Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the auto action after pointer stops, delay time before action on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down and then tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. In here, go down and tap on auto action after pointer stops. In here, go to the delay time before action and change the time. So this is the lowest at 200 milliseconds, extremely short delay. Or you can have it at the middle, around 500 milliseconds. And you can go all the way up to 1000 milliseconds, around 1 second of delay time. And that's it. So set your delay time. And after that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.